Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can insert or add a text box to your diagrams on Draw.io. So let us guide you through this. So navigate to your diagram on Draw.io. I will go with this one here. This is how you can do it, guys. What you want to do is double click with your left mouse into the field where you would like to place your text box. Like for example here in the top right corner. That is going to open up that menu. So you can add, for example, various shapes or a text, which is this one in the top left, or connectors, and so on and so forth. And that is going to add that default text box with the default text. So type it in here, no example text or something like this. You may, of course, also resize the text box here using these blue circles or dots. Position your text box, apply connectors to connect your text box with other elements. And yeah, that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.